like a little around the block. Kind of. The belly's gurgling, it's excited. I'm quite hungry. Barely being able to I had to have help to get in the shower. That was hard. Being immobile by yourself, essentially, sucks. My belly is uber gurgling. Thank you. Weirdest lazy bone. Oh my goodness. Did you hear that? Oh my. Food? Yes, Scooter. This dry ass burger. Assistant Wendy's. Holy jumpins. She's crazy, that belly. She's got a mind of her own tonight. Oh my goodness. Gosh, I don't know if you can hear it, but oh my goodness. It was quite the task. Oh, did you hear that? Holy jumpins. Big old belly. It's a good day, my Australian friend. Thank you for asking. Oh my god. That was loud. Excuse yourself, belly. Oh, I have to sneeze. Oh. It is really percolating in there. That would be funny. That would be funny. Oh. Right before I did that, how long should one be streaming? Oh, can you hear that? Oh my goodness. Be entertained with your questions. Ooh, another belly gurgle.